Social media is currently flooded with ads for a tiny device that promises the impossible. They call it a pocket satellite link. They tell you that you will never pay another internet bill again. It is a bold claim. It targets anyone tired of high monthly costs. I decided to look past the flashy editing. I wanted to see what is actually inside this thing. The hardware is surprisingly real. It is a small portable router. It fits in your palm. It is about the size of a credit card. It has a rechargeable battery and a standard charging port. On the surface, it looks like a great tool for a road trip. It works well at the airport too. You can connect 10 different devices to it at once. That sounds useful. It stops your phone battery from draining. You do not have to use your phone as a hotspot. But the moment you read the fine print, the fantasy falls apart. This device does not talk to satellites. It is physically impossible. A gadget this size cannot reach a satellite in space. Actual satellite internet requires a massive dish. It needs a lot of power. You need a specialized subscription that costs a lot of money. This little box is just a basic mobile hotspot. It uses the same cellular towers your phone uses. To get any internet at all, you have to buy a SIM card. You have to sign up for a data plan. You have to pay a monthly fee to a cellular carrier. The promise of free internet is a total lie. They are selling you a dream. They just want you to click the buy button. They even claim you will get incredible speeds. They say it rivals high-end fiber optics. In reality, you are limited by the local cell signal. If you are in a crowded area, this device will be slow. If you are in a dead zone, it will not work at all. Some versions of this hardware are designed for different parts of the world. They use frequencies that are not compatible with many major networks. You are essentially buying a generic product from a mystery brand. You can buy the exact same type of device from a reputable company. The price will be similar. The difference is that a real company will be honest with you. They will tell you that you need a subscription. They won't use fake signs to trick you. It is a classic case of predatory marketing. They take a cheap, functional product and dress it up in a lie. I spent the time digging into the specs so you do not have to waste your cash. This is not the future of connectivity. It is just another way to get people to hand over their hard-earned money. You are paying for a basic tool with a fake story attached. Stay smart out there. Look for brands that respect your intelligence. If a piece of tech claims to offer something for free forever, run the other direction. There is no such thing as a free lunch in the world of telecommunications. You are better off sticking with a carrier you trust. Don't let the hype man win this one. This is about being a savvy consumer in a world of digital noise. Truth matters more than a catchy ad. Keep your eyes open for the next big claim because it is probably just another rabbit hole waiting to be exposed. Now you have the full picture on this gadget. Turn off the ads and keep your wallet closed. You deserve better than a cheap trick wrapped in a plastic box. Stay curious, but stay skeptical.